G'day, welcome to Fresh TV. Thanks for joining us. I'm here with celebrity chef, impresario, fashionista, and fellow presenter, Josh Catalano. How are you, mate?
Good, Miles. How are you, buddy?
I'm pretty good. So what's on the menu today?
We're going to cook some beautiful Point Samson Rankin cod today, and we're not going to overdo it like most people do, or some people do in the kitchen. So,
All right, well, I'm going to go to Coles, pick up some ingredients, come back, and let's cook up this Rankin cod.
sounds good to me.
See you in a bit. Okay, Josh, what's the plan?
Well, we've got this beautiful Rankin cod fish here, and what you want to do is make sure that when you purchase your fish that, you know, the bloodline is that nice colour and hasn't started to tarnish, but, you know, the best indication of when you're purchasing fresh fish is
The smell, huh?
your nose. So it should smell
good.
like it's just come out of the ocean, nice and fresh. Shouldn't have any fishy flavours, and yeah, we're going to marry that with some really simple ingredients.
Okay, what have we got?
So we're going to cook some of these tomatoes.
Yep.
A little bit of onion, some garlic. We're going to add in the cooked lentils. Season the fish, salt, pepper, olive oil. To the pan.
Okay.
Alrighty, so the lentils are cooked perfectly now.
Yep.
All we need to do is add some fresh basil. Do you want to tear that in for us?
Smells good, huh?
Nice and easy. And we pop this fish straight on top. Falling away beautifully.
There we go. How are you going to garnish that?
Drizzle of olive oil.
Yep.
And here's our dill
Bit
now.
of dill.
Always lemon. And we're away.
Let's eat it.
Beautiful, simple, easy dish. Light, summery, healthy. Fantastic eating. Nice job. You can cook this for the wife now.
Easy. I've got to say, Josh, you are the boss of fish. Cheers, mate.
Fish boss. Cheers.
That's great. So, what wine have we got here?
We've got the beautiful Sauv Blanc from Millbrook Winery. Nice, white, light, really refreshing with beautiful Rankin cod.
Goes well.
Certainly does.
Good job. Not bad.
Another happy customer.